Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up?
I'm Sam.
Isaac.
This is Drop Motorsports.
Go, 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 go!
All right, round two of working on the S14. Where I'm at now, I got these two plates folded at a 90 at a shop locally in town here. Got those welded in. Both fenders are tacked. I had the owner of the car come by and approve everything, so I'm good to go. I'm gonna start finish welding all that in, and then my next step is cutting plates for this side on both sides. So I'm gonna get to that right now. All right, I got some seams welded up. I'm not sure if I showed you guys these plates done back here and painted. Still a lot of finishing touches to do, but just gotta keep trucking. So I finally got the final sheet of metal. I made a little template right here for this piece. Traced it out. I'm gonna cut that out. I'm gonna do the same for the other side. Tack those in and see how they look. All right, so it went pretty decent. I got that piece all welded up and I just wire wheeled it all and threw some primer on it so it wouldn't rust too fast. But next, I don't think I'm doing it today, but next move is to do this side. I redid some of the welds today. I like them a little better, but I'm still not super thrilled with how some of the welds turned out, but they're getting better. I'm getting progress. I got this all lined up to cut the sheet of metal. So next is shape that up, tack it in. So I got my cardboard cutout for the driver's side done, and I cut it out of metal and tacked it in for right now. It's looking pretty close to the other side. I'm out of gas for the welder, so I gotta go get more of that, and I'll probably be back on it tomorrow. Chipping away at the 240 SX. I had my nicest welds of the whole thing right here, of course, but I am making the little front plates right now. I got this plate fully welded in. I got this plate welded in. I'm making the plate for this side right now. Yeah, get back to you. Alright guys, so I got the two plates welded in. This one right here, this one. I made this little plate right here and tacked it in. And I need the two triangles for these ends to close those up. Alright, so I got my two corner pieces welded in. So I like how it's coming together. I got both sides primered. Nice and symmetrical. So my next move is gonna be tacking this whole seam here and cleaning up the back seams. Not a lot left after that. Back at it. Finally got this seam welded up. Looks pretty decent. I just tacked it in sections because the carpet's right here on the other side. Didn't want to start that on fire, but got it done. Right now I'm just doing some finishing touches on the S14. All the plates had overlap, so I'm just cutting off all the extra chunks. I already got that side roughly cut off with a cutoff wheel. Now I'm just gonna cut all the extras off this side, take a grinder to it, make it look nice. Alright, so I got all the edges roughly trimmed up on both sides. The front too. From welding seams to filling holes to shaping tubs, this has been an awesome experience for me. Learned a lot, had fun doing it, and I'm pretty much done at this point. He's still got to do body work and stuff, but that's it for me welding tubs in the S14. If you liked that video, give us a like, comment, subscribe. See you next week.